Codearbro. Solution is the only option.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will demonstrate my asset management system application developed using Zoho Creator. This application helps organization manage assets and maintenance activities, audits, location and procurement and asset lifecycle in one centralized system. And let me walk you through each module one by one. This is the dashboard of the asset management system. The dashboard system provides a quick summary of key information such as total number of assets, asset status, overview, maintenance activities, depreciation method, lifespan years, purchase order, and assigned to and last maintenance date. It helps users and management understand the overall asset condition and system activity at a glance without opening individual modules. If we are going to asset module section, the asset module section is the core module of the application. It stores all the important information related to the organization assets. Each asset record includes asset ID, asset name, serial number, and purchase date and acquisition date, and depreciation method, and asset lifespan years, and current asset status, and manufacturer model number, and warranty expiration, and vendor and purchase order details, and assigned to information, and last maintenance date and next maintenance date. This module ensures centralized and accurate asset data management. If we are going to maintenance logs module, this module is used to record all the maintenance activities performed on assets. It captures asset reference, it captures asset references, related maintenance date, and a service provider, and work performed, part used, the labor hours, and maintenance cost. This module helps in tracking maintenance history and asset performance. If we are going to audit items modules, this module stores detailed audit result for individual assets. It includes audit references, asset references, and expected account and actual count, audit status, notes for discrepancies, and updated by and also updated date. This allows precise tracking of audit findings at the asset level. And if we are going to asset location module tracks where each asset is currently located. It records asset references, current location type, latitude and longitude, and assigned to person, owner, department, and check-in and check-out time, and last updated and updated by. This module helps in real-time asset tracking and reduces asset loss. If we are going to inventory audit modules, and the inventory audit module is used to perform physical and system audits of assets. It includes audit ID, audit name, and audit date, and target locations, and total asset counts, discrepancy count, and audit status, notes, and completed by and completed date. And this module ensures asset accuracy and compliance. And next we are going to maintenance schedules module, and the maintenance schedules module is used for planning, preventive and recurring maintenance. It includes schedule ID, asset reference, maintenance type and frequency, and also interval days, last completed days, and next due date, last completed date and next due date, service provider, and estimated duration, priority and status, and also notes. This helps ensure timely maintenance and increases asset lifespan. And if we are going to next module, if this is asset categories module. This module is used to classify assets into logical groups, like it includes category name, descriptions, default depreciation method, and default lifespan, if it is active or not, created by, and created date. Categorization helps in reporting, standardization, and also automation. And if we are going to asset lifecycle module, the asset lifecycle module tracks the complete life cycle of an asset. It also captures asset references, acquisition date, and depreciation start date. Wait a minute. Yeah, depreciation date, reason for disposal, replacement date, accumulated depreciation date, and book value, disposal date, and disposal value, and replacement planning, and replacement date, and current status. This module supports financial tracking and replacement decision. And if we are going to customer module, wait a minute. Yeah, the customer module stores customer of department information related to asset allocation or services. It includes customer name, its billing address, city, PIN code. It's also its mail, its phone number, last modified date, its GST number also, exchange rate, shipping address, and also remarks. This module helps in linking assets and maintenance activities with a specific customer on internal departments. Yeah, if we are going to purchase order module, this module manages assets procurement details. It includes purchase order number and reference number, vendor name and currency, purchase date and expected delivery date, total amount, created time, and last modified time. This module connects procurement data with asset records for financial tracking. If we are conclude, this asset management system provides a complete solution for asset tracking, maintenance management, audit control, location tracking, procurement, and also life cycle management. The dashboard and modular design help improve efficiency, accuracy, and decision making. And thank you for watching.